It's Sunday, everyone, and yeah, I'm on a mission. Not early in the morning. It's like 2 o'clock right now. Meeting up with a client at 3:30, and we're gonna go place out these amazing plants that I found. So let's get some footage of loading up. I don't know. So the beautiful coral bark jack maples are covered up so the wind won't blow all them off. And God damn, kill myself. Those little guys are protected with the Japanese hollies and the boxwoods, so they won't blow out, lose their leaves. There we go. We got Nandinas, 2 different kind, mountain laurels, all the stuff in the back. You ready, gorgeous? Mm-hmm.
You're not that scary. Sorry, dude.
He's like a big teddy bear. Look at him. He wants to come in here and play. Big teddy bear wants to come cuddle you. He's so cute. He's so cute. Well, now the fun begins. I gotta go ahead and come up with my design on site, because I did all my design in my head when I was picking these plants out at the nursery. At Lowe's, actually. So let me see what I can do with this stuff, and then we'll go through and show you all the plants that we have and what size they grow into, and see what we come up with. All right, so this is where we're gonna have some interesting conversations, because we always butt heads on designs, where stuff goes. So we're gonna see how this conversation goes and see where we put all these plants. Bunch of them everywhere.
But yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm not 100% sure where the sky pencil should go, but I do think that the tree should be in
All
the
right.
holes front to kind of block the holes. One or the other. You see what I'm saying?
Yep. There's one. There's two. Two on the cruise.